This is a message for Dan's 9-year-old. So if you're not Dan or Dan's 9-year-old, you can scroll on. But if you want to know the answer to Dan's 9-year-old's question, then feel free to stick around. Hello, Dan's 9-year-old. Great question. How are the heavy elements made? Are they made in stars too? Now, I have a very special periodic table to show you where all the elements are made. So let's go through it. Let's start at the very beginning. Hydrogen and helium, these are made before stars even existed, right after the Big Bang. A tiny bit of lithium was made too. But the rest of the elements, they mostly come from stars. Big stars, much bigger than our sun, are like giant element factories. When they explode as supernova, they create a ton of different elements and scatter them across the universe. Some elements also come from smaller stars like our sun. When they puff out their outer layers at the end of their lives, albeit much less dramatically than those massive stars, they also create some of these heavier elements. Then there are white dwarfs, the super dense dead stars. They can explode and create heavy elements too. But the real fireworks happen when neutron stars crash into each other. These epic explosions called kilonovae make some of the rarest elements like gold and platinum. That's right, jewelry like my ring literally comes from colliding stars. Now you might notice some weird gaps like beryllium and boron. These don't come from stars. They're made when cosmic rays smash into atoms and break them apart. And some elements like technetium and promethium, they are made in stars, but they disappear really quickly because they're radioactive. So they don't last long enough to stick around on Earth. So the next time you look at the periodic table, remember, you're looking at the story of the universe. Every single element had an epic journey before it ended up in you, me, and everything around us. And by the way, you can download this poster from the Astro 3D website. I'll put a link in the comments for those who are interested.